Hey everybody, it's me, you know me, your favorite auntie. So I'm about to give y'all my normal guy look. So it's like quick and easy. I got my blue sapphire eyeshadow stick from Bobbi Brown. It's hard to find her, So I'm gonna use this on waterline. Before I do any type of foundation, concealer, anything like that, this is what I'm gonna do first. I always do my eyes first. So you wanna just get your blue in. This is all you gotta do. Now you're gonna get any type of you can do a dense smudger or a fluffy blending brush, and all we're gonna do is just blend her out. So look at that. You got your quick and easy blue. You're just like, okay, look at that, boom, boom, it's already popping. I'm gonna use a blue mascara as well. But the first thing I'll be using is from Essence. It's the Lash Princess mascara primer. I wanted to try almost like a white mascara just to make the blue even more intense instead of using like a normal black or brown mascara primer. And how I normally do mascara is I get like a quick little hand mirror. Shout out to Clutch Glue, shout out. But I'm gonna have that mirror and I'm just gonna angle it down so I'm looking down, and all I'm gonna do is coat all my lashes. Because sometimes whenever you go normal, you hit your skin and everything. This one makes sure you avoid all of that. And now I'm gonna go on top of it. This is in a color electric blue. It is from Tarte because I love a tubing mascara. Look at that blue. Look at that blue. Now we're just going to coat right on top. Now, what is your favorite mascaras out there? Let me know below. So now what we're going to use is Magic Blur. It's from Lip Tinted. It is their actual primer. So it just came out. I haven't really properly reviewed it or anything like that. I just bought her and I was like, oh my God, let me try it. But they have this new concealer too, and I want to try it. But like I said, it's supposed to blur. It's a nice filter. So let's do half of my face so you can really see. So this is all you got to do. You just massage it in. It's supposed to blur and all that stuff. And the thing is, if you don't like a primer, you don't have to, you can skip this step. So now, y'all may have seen me talk about this mineral SPF. It's called Do Me from Spooge. I'm just gonna pump some here and some here. Take my blending brush, well, should I say my foundation brush, and all I'm going to do is just add a little bit on. So this is just going to give me a nice SPF of 30. Because again, I'm in Texas. It's 10,000 degrees out here. And I'm okay with my skin showing. I don't need nothing to just cast all my sins away. Now, for some of y'all be like, oh, I don't like this healthy glow look or anything like that. Or she looks sweaty, she looks dewy, and all that stuff. It's user preference. If you want your skin to look drippy, do it. If you want your skin to look Sahara Desert dry, do it. So now what I'm gonna go on top is the Buttermilk Glaze from NYX. It's the Soft Glow Skin Tint. So what I like to do, I'll do a line here, and a line here, and a dot. So now this here is going to be a little bit of my coverage. But still, it's a skin tint, so it's not gonna be hardcore coverage or anything like that. It's just gonna read as nice, healthy skin. Now, a trick that I like to do, I like to get a puff. I'm not adding nothing on here. It's whatever's residue on here, residues on here. And all I'm gonna pat. We're just gonna pat her all over. What I like to do with this is that any excess liquid is going to just be absorbed into the puff. Now, my glow is still gonna be there. Now, at this point, people are gonna be like, oh my God, are you gonna set it? Where's the setting? Set. We're not setting yet. So now I'm gonna be using, this is from Dibs Beauty. It's their Edit Stick. This is in concealer 510. So it's a concealer and a brightener. As you can see, the bottom is the brightener. You put the brightener in places where you wanna just brighten it up. All we're gonna do, I like my inner corners brightened. So we're gonna brighten the inner corners. Then I kind of like a little bit of a lift. So I'm gonna go here. That's where I want to have my lift. You know, that good old instant eye lift. And this is all about staying almost like no makeup. You can do this on completely bare skin if you want. Now I'm gonna go on with the concealer. Concealer, I'm gonna go right here. And right here. Now, with the Dibs concealer brush that just came out, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come right here and I'm just going to press. I'm not swiping, I'm just pressing into the skin. And now once I get to that outer corner and go up, it's that whole lift effect. Now at this point, it's all about how much concealer you actually want to put on for that desired, like, snatched up lift effects. Because, you know, a lot of people, they ask me, oh my God, what are you on your face? What is this? What is this? When are you going to have an updated tutorial talking about this? Here y'all go. And now you can go with your other side and you can just, you know, press it in. If you have your pressed powder or your highlighting powder or anything, you can just press. Just because it's me and I'm going to work, I got to put on my earring. Y'all always see me in like photos and everything with an earring in. It's just a quick little clip-on PC piece. And what I like to do is just put a little, like a dab of glue, so it would just hold for the entire day. So hit that there, slightly close, and boom, look at that. So now, to tie it all together, I'm going to be using, this is the All Nighter Ghosting Spray On Setting Powder from Urban Decay. You shake her up, and I got it in the color Deep. Now we're going to see, you can, like I said, you see the glow. I'm going to spray this on, and we're going to see, is it going to set? And what it, baby, that was a soft matte right there. I'm in a soft matte world. What it said is like, it's your desired mattifier. So mainly you can spray on more to give that complete mattified look. Like me, this is luminous for me. I was glowy earlier, but now this is luminous. Let me add another layer. And for y'all to really see, let me get close. As you can see, there's actual color, but when you're at a distance, it's not that much. There we go, baby. That might be a game changer. Then me, powder your brush, and I like just dab. And now last but not least, I'm going to be using Lift Tinted Unity Balm. It's in the color Caramel Glaze. So all we're going to do, we're just going to squeeze a little bit. Put it directly on, and I'm done. If I want to put on bronzer, I can. If I want to put a little highlighter, I can. But this is how I normally go. Just a nice, quick, fresh face. Fresh woman, as you per se. We can always do this. Eliminate the brows. Now, this is just going to just give the illusion of a thicker brow and all the hair going in the correct place. See? Look at that. And all I'm using is L'Oreal Paris Brow Eliminator up to 24 hour. And all I'm doing is just combing all the hair in the correct place. And that's all this look is. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully y'all understood what I'm talking about, what I wanted to do and everything. So I will catch y'all later, okay? Bye.